Hello everyone, welcome today on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 31st 2023, last day of August. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. Well, not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. What I will do is I will finish the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yeah, the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. We have 3 puzzles left in the additional. Yes. Yeah, no extra puzzles. All right. Let me take the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday. And we have here, I believe, 3 puzzles left. Yeah. In the yesterday's newspaper, we have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars. And jigsaw Sudoku, yeah, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. These 3 puzzles I will do in the evening. But first, let me start with these 2 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard that there is a major tropical storm, Idalia, yes, hits Florida, yeah. North Carolina, Florida, so damaging a lot of homes. That's the news. Weather news. Well, let me start with this binary puzzle. In Dutch, no, in Japanese they call it Takuzu. Takuzu, and this will be number 7014. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 40 printed digits. Well, that's a lot, but it's a large binary puzzle. It's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row we have 6 O's and 6 ones. Same for the columns, 6 ones, 6 O's. All right. So let's get started. Alright, let me start with the double O. Here one, there one, double O. Here one, there one, double O. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And now the double ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. Double O 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 here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then I need to think double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Need an O and a 1 there. There we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of blue, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the O, the 6th O there, then we still have 3 1s in the first row. Not allowed one of the blue, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be here, could be there. Well. Between two, oh, double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. And between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I need there. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Correct. In 8 minutes. Well, 8 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.